Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while our device screen, and after that here on the right upper corner we'll see the plus icon. Now just to add the widget we should click on the plus, and then here you will see all the available widgets which we can add and all of the applications here with the widgets. For example, we can see that the weather app has 3 different type of the widgets. The reminders has also 3 of the widgets. Photos also has 3. For example, the contacts, here we can also see 3 types of the widgets. Let's for example use the clock. Here we can see the 4 of them. For example, let's use the clock here. Just to add the widget we should hold it and after that drag it to the home screen. If you want to move this widget here on the screen, you should hold and drag it to the left or to the right side. We can also move widgets between the screens. Just to do that we should hold and drag the widget. We can also create the new screens with the widgets. That's not a problem. Just let's hold and drag it to the right side of our screen, and by this way we can just create a new widget here. If you wanna just remove the widget, you should hold it and tap here to remove widgets button, or just to hold your device screen, and after that click here on this minus on the left upper corner of the widget by this way, and then just confirm your action by click here to remove, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.